Hello and welcome to this mini tutorial where we're going to break down and build back up the pronunciation of the word breadth in English. So probably the most important thing to point out first of all is that there are actually two ways that people tend to pronounce this word. So this script is from the Cambridge Online Dictionary, and as you can see we've got two ways to produce the ending of this word. So taking it from the beginning, we've got the consonant cluster br followed by an e. So the beginning of both versions is bre. Bre. The end is where it changes. So you've got two options. The top row, you've got the voiced D sound, which is a d, and then that th, where you put the tongue out between the teeth. So the top version, repeat after me, try and vibrate the throat for that D, breadth, breadth. So we've got that d in there. The second row is a little softer because we're not voicing the T. Breadth, breadth. And there we have it, that's breadth. Now, if you couldn't hear any difference between the two in the previous slide, I really wouldn't worry about it, to be honest. It's very, very subtle. Basically, we've got the e before our consonant, and the e is voiced. But then we've got that th at the end, which is unvoiced. So essentially, dealing with the part in between, do we voice it as a D or do we have it as an unvoiced T? Really, it's just about at what point you're turning off the voicing that happens because of the vowel e. It's not a word that I think about. To be fair, it's not a word I say that often, but when I do say it, I don't overthink it. It just comes out, and I'm sure that sometimes it sounds more voiced than others. So it's not one to worry about too much, as long as you're getting your TH at the end, and it's either a D or a T beforehand, it doesn't matter. So that's breadth. I hope you found that useful. If you did, go ahead and hit like. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date. Thanks for watching and have a lovely day.